As my Earthly Traditions series comes to an end, sadly tomorrow, it is time to show off next week's new quilt series called Haunted Stitches. My Haunted Stitches series will feature 8 quilt patterns, all in fat quarters. Many of y'all have been wanting more fat quarter patterns, so this is the series for you. Now, I will be using the fabric collection called Spooky and Witchy from Art Gallery Fabrics. And as for the background fabrics, I am going to be using this delicious light pink crossbones, these vampire fangs, which are super adorable, and lastly, the color Ballad in Deco Stitch. For my backing fabrics, I have one of my all-time favorite prints, which is this cute bat hanging on a tree. And then next we have some of these cute wicked potions. And lastly, an amazing cast a spell fabric, which is another one of my top favorites. But last but not least, the binding. I'm going to be using the same binding from my last series since I do have quite a bit left over. Plus, who doesn't love a stripy binding? And as always, I will have a link down below in the description for you to purchase from a quilt store that I trust. Doing so, a small portion will help go towards my channel. Now, while I unfold all of the prints for you all to see, there are a few things that I would like to add. And no, I am not sponsored. I have picked out this whole collection myself because Halloween is my #1 all-time favorite holiday. But if Halloween isn't your thing, you're still going to want to watch this series because I have designed 8 fat quarter patterns that can be versatile to use any type of themed, floral, or whatever else type of fabric that you want to use yourself. Now, the only Halloween thing here is the fabric that I'll be using, and of course, whatever I ended up naming the patterns within this series because hey, we have to keep up with the theme. And for those of you who are curious about why do I do themes or quilt series or use the same fabric for a month-long adventure, make sure to like and subscribe to that channel so you'll be notified for that answer coming very soon.